Guys, we're off to a little bit of a slow start. It is going to be a lazy day here in the Salisbury fam household because we're just lazy people today. Mom needs a break after last night. Are you kissing yourself? Kiss the baby.
Hello, Alexia. How are you doing? Hi, baby. Yeah, so funny.
Really quiet for a minute and see if you guys can hear this rain really coming down out there. Now, when I said it's raining, look out there, you guys. Sorry, Lex. I know you like the rain, but we're not going to go out in the rain. Both kids are sleeping. Now I'm going to sleep because last night both kids were up and down all night. So that means Mom didn't get no sleep, so Mom needs to sleep now. Barely got a nap, but that's okay. Both the kids are up now and the day is halfway over. I just now am getting my coffee, which I need now later in the day, more than ever. So I gotta get my phone upstairs, my coffee upstairs, and my son upstairs. So we had lunch, we had a bath. Erin is upstairs with her right now. Yes. I think she's playing with the other end of the baby monitor. Yes. Alexia. Okay, that might be Erin. I'll be back, you guys. Tell them about the thunders. We got thunders, huh? So, we have thunderstorm warnings, which means tonight there's probably going to be lightning and power outages, which thunder and dark are some of my biggest, phobias, I guess you could say. So, I hope nothing happens, but just in case, I'm keeping my phone plugged in and the baby monitor plugged in, and I got tons of candles in case anything happens, which I'm praying that it does not. Rat? Are you saying rat? No, hey. Lex. I win. You're going down to bed slightly early or having a second nap, depending on how you look at it. I'm so tired, my eyes are burning and I can barely hold my head up. Looks like I don't get to sleep. Alright guys, I was not able to catch a nap, but I was able to do a bit of dishes and I got Max back down to sleep. Now I'm just drinking my nighttime tea and then I'm going to hit the hay myself. Finally. So good night. I'll see you guys later.